CJ Models, back with our Revell 1/44 scale 747. This is the Ed Force 1, the Iron Maiden. So what have we done? I've put the canopy in. This will have a decal in for the framing, or you can paint it. It's your option. I'm going to put the decal on mine. I've glazed all the windows, as you can see on the shorts video. I got decals in for the frames. They can go on today. I've done the panel lines. I used Tamiya's panel line wash. And then just ink it in and then wipe it off with a cotton bud. So that's them. I haven't finished this side, as you can see. But I've done one side. And the elevator. So I'll carry on with that throughout the day. So that's that. I've sprayed up the engines. They're all done. Just with the aerosol can, sprayed the white, masked off here and here, sprayed the light grey, and then I've left one. All I did was got some thin tape. I masked off one line where the silver was, then put the tape next to it, and then pulled off where the silver would be. And then I just masked all this off in, just in case of any overspray. And then take this off. I was pulling it all off, but as you can see, you mask the part you're painting first, then you do your tape next to it, and then you can pull that one off, and then just the paintbrush in, things flying over, and then just rub it down just to stop any bleeding in. And then you have your engine and the silver line around them. So the version I'm doing, you can do two versions with this. They're fine as they are now, they're done. They just need a couple of decals and a bit of gloss. Oh, also, there's a couple of panel lines I've got to rescribe which didn't come out. So I'll use some dyno tape in and then just run my scriber across. They're going to be done. This is the left-sided engine. On the real plane, it was an accident and they had to change all this panel. This is the version I'm doing. This is the newer version. So I got to mask this off and the silver and spray this light grey where they changed the panel. So I'll get that done today as well, hopefully. And then these just slot in then. Just pins it is. And they just slot in like so. Somewhere. I promise you they do work. Oh, like that. Right, okay. See, they just slot in like so. Oh, try and hold it as well, but they do slot in. I'm going to repin. I'm going to cut some lead wire, put some pins in here, because all you've got, I don't know if you'll see this on camera, all you've got is two little dots, but I want to pin these properly. I don't want them falling off, so I'm going to repin them all. And probably do that. I'll show you one on camera just to show you. You can pin anything like that and it won't come off, or it'd be a solid joint then. And that's about it. On a build on that. So thanks for all the support again at the moment. I'm getting loads of followers and subscribers at the moment. Appreciate every bit of support, and thank you very much, and hopefully catch you on the next one. Thank you very much.